Hey! In front of me is Motorola Moto G72, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. First of all, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in DevCheck, like that. Now you need to get this free app from Flirt to Developer, DevCheck Device and System Info, and when it's ready, open it. Now, using this app, you can read all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!